Hey guys, what's up? It's McNeil from Louison Automotive, and today I'm gonna try to help you guys break this misconception about servicing your car at the dealer so that your warranty don't get voided. Yes, so a lot of customers, when they buy a new car, they think that they have to service the car at the dealer or the warranty will get voided. That's the biggest BS. Okay, so anyway, we'll get into that and explain so you can understand your rights and know what you can do. Okay, if you're new to this channel, thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a blessed day. Let's get into it. Okay, so I have a lot of customers that I service their old piece of junk the whole time: oil changes, brakes, tune-ups, whatever they need. You know, I like junks. You know, if the car is junky, it has a lot of repairs and it's good for the shop, so it's not a bad thing to have a junk car. It's the best thing you can have. Anyway, the point is, they would service that car for us the whole time, and then you don't see them for a couple of months, and then eventually I see them driving by in the neighborhood or come by to say hi with a brand new car, and all of a sudden we lose a customer to the dealer. When you try to ask them and understand why they don't service with you anymore, the idea is the dealer is letting them believe if they don't service the car at the franchise, the dealership where they bought the car from, their warranty will get voided. That is not true, and that is the biggest misconception. Okay, what you need to know is, when you buy a car from a dealer, the sales pitch didn't stop from the sales guy you don't like. Everybody else in there is sales. Okay, that service advisor is also sales, so they're supposed to bring in the revenue for the service shop for that dealership, and the service shop has really good margins and makes a lot of money for that dealership. Okay, so they have to make you believe that your warranty will get voided. Now, yes, if you were to service a car by yourself, meaning on your driveway, your buddy is a handy guy and you go to Canadian Tire and buy your oil and filter and you change it on your driveway, yes, your warranty will get voided. You're not a licensed technician. But as long as you use a licensed automotive shop like ours or any kind of mechanical shop to service your car, your warranty will not get voided. So when you buy the new car, generally the dealer would give you either one, free oil changes to let you come back to them to do the oil change, that's fine, or they'll give you some really awesome deal on the oil change that it's really affordable anyway. So here's the fun fact: a lot of shops do not make money on oil changes. It's not a big revenue maker for us. A lot of us do oil changes either at losses or break-even numbers, just to bring the customer in the door, build a relationship with the customer, and once we have the relationship with the customer, if there's any jobs that the car needs, most likely we'll get the job. So the right way for you to service your new car, what I recommend you to do to save money, because if you watch a few of the other videos we made this week, explain that the shops work based on an hourly rate. If your dealer works based on a $150 an hour, and you can find a shop that works between 80 and $100 an hour, you can save $50 to $60 an hour on your repairs. All you need to do is take your new car that you love so much you just bought it to the dealer, no problem, for the oil changes, because one, they may have given you free oil changes, or two, the price is fair. The oil change price is fairly affordable. Okay, it's decent. So do the oil changes at the dealer. However, every time they offer you any kind of service recommendations, whether it be tire rotations, whether it be you need brakes now, or you need your filter checks or air filter changes, whatever service they recommend, it's okay for you to get a written estimate. Just say, no problem, I gotta talk to my wife or my husband or my kids, whatever the excuse is. You get a printout of the estimate, and then you take it to an independent garage and have them fix it. Now, you're not going to that garage for a diagnostic, because you already got a free diagnostic from the dealer. So you don't need to know what this guy's trying to upsell you at his shop either, because he may try to sell you too. Just give him the estimate and say, this is what I want you to fix, and you're already saving money by doing it at a lower hourly rate. Now, as long as you keep your receipts from your oil change from your dealer, and you keep your receipts from your independent garage, most independent garage will have a system that they would track what you did anyway. Your warranty will not get void, because you will have proof of maintenance. So that is the key here. You must have proof of maintenance in order for your warranty not to get voided. Now, if the dealer is already dealing with all of the lube jobs, they will have, because most times your warranty get voided based on lack of changing the oil on time, lack of doing any kind of lube maintenance, not because you didn't change your brake on time. How does it make sense? Even if I didn't change my brake pad or my rotor on my car and my transmission is shot or my engine is shot, how did that void my warranty? So it's always about the lube jobs. Did you do the oil changes on time? Did you do your oil filters on time? This is what they mainly look at. So fine, give the dealer the oil changes, but all of your regular maintenance, it's not rocket science. Your average independent garage can do the maintenance for you. So keep that in mind. It's going to save you a lot of money. The technicians that work at the garage are not, when they say it's a Toyota specialist or a Ford specialist, they're just a 310S licensed mechanic. I have mechanics work at my shop who worked at garages like that before, guys who work at independent shops who go to the dealers, they just follow the money. They work anywhere as long as you're paying them the right rate. So all mechanics are licensed under the 310S license. It doesn't really matter. They don't have any extra training from Toyota. They're just a licensed technician. They can fix anything. So you're not getting any special treatment by taking your car to Toyota or Honda or the franchise name, basically, is what we're trying to get at. So yes, your warranty will not get voided. Use an independent garage if you have to save some money. Just for summarize this video, like I said, they can do the lube jobs, no problem. But when it comes to your other maintenance and other recommendations, take it in. Oh, one thing before I forget, you could always compare what the dealer is recommending you to fix with your service book, your owner's manual. So every new car comes with an owner manual / service guide, and it will tell you at every kilometers what the manufacturer recommended you to fix or do. So as long as the dealer recommendations doesn't conflict with that book, it's fine, you do that. Because if the guy who's making the car is saying you have to wait, for example, 150,000 kilometers to do a timing belt, for example, why would the dealer recommend to do it at 80? I mean, if it's leaking or you have any problem with it, that's different. But I'm talking about preventative maintenance. Why would you do it before it's broken or before the book is asking you to do it, okay? So keep that in mind, guys. Hopefully that helps. Have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one.